If we can get through this, like
this won't be that bad.
I thought we'd be winching and yanking.
Yeah. It doesn't look that bad. Alright. Find your line, Dad.
Yep.
He's single right.
Okay.
Let's do this. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Sweet.
Are you kidding me? That's awesome, man. Sometimes I've heard when the dirt gets like this, they call it hero dirt from like mountain biking. Mountain bikers will call it like this because it's actually pretty grippy. But I thought for sure it was going to be wetter than that.